Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PZ20 carburetor is probably one of the most sought-after carburetors for small engines due to its reliable performance, ease of tuning, and widespread availability for various applications, from motorcycles and scooters to generators and go-karts. This video will provide an in-depth review of this popular carburetor, covering its features, specifications, and performance characteristics, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your engine. Number 5. TaoTao Baja PZ20 Carburetor. Is your ATV or go-kart underperforming? This carburetor is the perfect replacement to restore peak performance. It's easy to install and will have you back on the trails in no time. It doesn't matter if you have a TaoTao, Baja, or even a CRF50F or CRF80F, this carburetor is compatible with many popular models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your machine. This high-quality carburetor is designed for a wide range of engine sizes. Whether your engine is 50 cubic centimeters, 70 cubic centimeters, 90 cubic centimeters, 110 cubic centimeters, or 125 cubic centimeters, it's likely a perfect fit. Replacing your old carburetor is simple. This one is designed for easy installation, minimizing downtime and maximizing your riding time. Follow the instructions carefully for a smooth process. Get your ATV or go-kart back to its best. This replacement carburetor will restore optimal fuel delivery, leading to improved acceleration, better throttle response, and increased power. Don't let a faulty carburetor hold you back. This is the perfect replacement for most Chinese ATV carburetors. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It's designed for easy installation, making it a simple direct replacement for your old carburetor. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. This carburetor works great. Everything went back together the way it was supposed to. Replaced old carb because it wouldn't run, and the new carburetor made it run like a new four-wheeler. Our kids love their four-wheelers, so we take maintenance on them very serious to ensure they keep running for them. We change the carb on them yearly so they stay fully functional. This is a quality product that fits them specifically. Ordering was nice and smooth. It was a perfect fit, easy to install, and the quality seems solid and durable. Number 4. PZ20 Carburetor Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a smooth and efficient engine. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. The kit features a high-quality carburetor, ensuring optimal fuel delivery. You'll get consistent power and improved fuel efficiency. We've included all the necessary gaskets and filters to ensure a proper seal and clean fuel supply. This prevents leaks and keeps your engine running smoothly. Precise throttle control is at your fingertips with the included thumb throttle and cable. Enjoy effortless acceleration and responsive handling. It's compatible with a wide range of 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters ATVs, go-karts, and dirt bikes, including popular brands like TaoTao, Sunel, Kazuma, and Honda models. Check compatibility before purchasing. The kit is designed for straightforward installation. You'll have your engine running smoothly in no time. Refer to the instructions for detailed guidance. What we like. It comes as a complete kit with all the necessary parts. Everything you need is included for a smooth installation. If you value convenience and a hassle-free installation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Everything arrived as described and worked great. The thumb throttle is surprisingly high quality. Worked awesome on Tao 110 cubic centimeters. I did not use the thumb throttle though, so I could keep my hand brake, hardly even had to adjust anything. Amazing fit and perfect idle. Number 3. PZ20 Carburetor for ATVs. This PZ20 carburetor is a direct replacement for many popular ATV models. It's designed for a seamless fit and reliable performance. It works with a wide range of vehicles, including Kandi, TaoTao, Sunel, and many other popular brands. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your machine. This carburetor also fits select Honda models, such as the CRF50F and CRF80F from certain years. Always verify your model's compatibility before purchasing. It's the perfect replacement for worn-out or damaged carburetors on Chinese-branded ATVs. Get your machine running smoothly again. With a 20 mm inner diameter on the intake side and 48 mm mounting holes, it's built to exact specifications, ensuring a precise and secure installation. This carburetor meets the high standards of KNF, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust it to perform as expected. What we like. This carburetor features a manual choke lever for precise engine control. This provides reliable performance and is easy to use. If you prioritize precise engine control and reliable performance, this is the one for you. What people say. The Japan version of these carbs are spot-on tuned. Have purchased this same carb a few times for different applications and it worked great on all of them. Good quality. Bolted on and it started up and runs like new. Number 2. PZ20 Carburetor for Kazuma Baja. It fits a wide range of brands, including TaoTao, Sunl, Rokita, Kazuma, and more. This ensures it's a versatile option for many riders. It works with various models, such as TaoTao, Sunl, Kazuma Baja 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters, and even some Honda models. Check compatibility before purchasing. It delivers higher power and better fuel efficiency than standard carburetors. Enjoy improved performance on your rides. This kit includes everything you need for installation. It comes with a carburetor, air filter, fuel lines, gaskets, and more. Make sure your old carburetor looks identical to the one pictured before installing it. It's designed for a straightforward replacement. Please verify your carburetor's dimensions match before ordering. This ensures a proper fit for your specific machine. What we like. It offers higher power and improved fuel efficiency. It also includes a 35 mm air filter for enhanced performance. If you are looking for increased power and better fuel economy, this is the ideal option. What people say. Installed the new carburetors on the ATVs with no problems whatsoever. No adjustments at all. Bolted right up and didn't even have to adjust it. Just replaced the carb in my son's Coolster 3050D ATV. Works like a charm. Everything in the picture is what I received. Number 1. PZ20 Carburetor for ATVs. This is the PZ20 carburetor, a perfect fit for various 4-stroke engines. It's designed to improve performance and fuel efficiency. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including TaoTao, Honda, Kazuma, and many more. It works with 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters engines. This carburetor is specifically designed for various models, including the Kazuma Baja and select Honda CRF models. Check compatibility before purchasing. It has a 20 mm inner diameter and a 48 mm mounting center-to-center distance. It's designed for use in ATVs, go-karts, mopeds, and scooters. It's ideal for 4-stroke engine ATVs, dirt bikes, quads, go-karts, and UTVs under 125 cubic centimeters. Also known as a 110 cubic centimeters or 125 cubic centimeters ATV carburetor. We offer an 180-day warranty on this product. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This carburetor boasts broad compatibility with various models and is easy to install. It also comes with a generous 180-day warranty. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install option with excellent warranty support, this is a great choice. What people say. The PZ20 carburetor is designed for 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters engines, including models from TaoTao, Sunl, Kazuma, and Baja. Perfect for ATVs, go-karts, mopeds, and scooters, this high-performance carburetor ensures smoother rides and better fuel efficiency. With easy installation and enhanced performance, it's the ideal upgrade for your 4-stroke engine. Installed this new carb and my daughter's Trailmaster 125 fired right up and runs like a champ. This fit my son's Chinese ATV 125 cubic centimeters perfect and wasn't hard to install either. And it was my first time ever doing something like that. Now it fires right up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.